In the previous episodes, Josh and Arabin have explored pictures of the heights of beanstalks over several days. While they explored different beanstalks, they always considered how the beanstalk grew from day 0. In this episode, they will again think about how the beanstalk, whose height triples each day, is growing over several days, but now they think about how it is growing from day 100. To help them think about this, they draw a picture.
What, if anything, can you say about the relationship between the heights on day 102 and day 100?
To help them reason about the growth of the beanstalk between day 100 and day 102, the students drew a picture. Although the beanstalk would be really tall on day 100, Josh and Arabindo drew a small segment to represent this height so that their drawings would fit on the page.
Yeah, pretty good.
Okay, so what do you think the relationship between the heights on day 102 and day 100 is?
So there's like 9 dots, which signify the 9 heights of day 100.
Okay, so how many times taller is the beanstalk on day 102 than on day 100?
9 times.
9 times as tall. And how do you know that?
Because so day 101 is 3 times.
3 times what?
3 times the height of day 100.
Okay.
And day 102 is 3 times the height of day 101.
Okay, and where can you see those two things in the picture? You said 2 things, I think, that on day 101, the beanstalk is 3 times as tall as it was on day 100, and then you said a second thing, which was on day 102, it was 3 times as tall as on day 100. So can you show me both of those things in the picture?
So Josh labeled this 1, 2, 3. So down here,
Mm-hmm.
that's the day 101 being 3 times as tall as day 100.
Mm-hmm.
And then he also labeled these bigger sections.
Mm-hmm.
These are 1, 2, 3, and that signifies the day 102 being 3 times taller than day 101.
Since the height of the beanstalk increases by a factor of 3 each day, regardless of the starting day, the height of the beanstalk on day 101 will be 3 times taller than the height of the beanstalk on day 100, and the height of the beanstalk on day 102 will be 3 times taller than the height of the beanstalk on day 101. This means that there will be 3 groups of 3 copies of the day 100 height in the height of the beanstalk on day 102. This also means that the height of the beanstalk on day 102 is 9 times the height of the beanstalk on day 100. In this lesson, Josh and Arabindo have explored the relationships between the height of their beanstalk and the time that has passed using drawings. In the next lesson, the students will continue to explore this relationship with the use of a timeline.